Conditioning Winnetka, CA, home of air conditioning and heating repair and installation. Visit our website at www.airconditioningwinnetka.ca.org or call area code 818-532-9088. Our team here at the company will be more than happy to assist you with any problem you might be encountering. We have a group of professional and trained techs that have dealt with pretty much every conceivable air conditioning problem you can imagine. From broken systems and units to full installations, we have seen and attended to it all.